Hi, I am Dr. Siddharth Verma. I am a pain physician working at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai in the Department of Pain Medicine. And today in this video, I will talk about knee pain. So knee pain is something which was earlier thought that it's a illness of the old, but now we are seeing more and more that youngsters are getting affected. This is mainly driven by the lifestyle and also the food habits and activity. So to prevent it, it's very important to do the correct amount of exercise, maintain your weight, and also do, if small problems develop, immediately treat it. Otherwise, they can magnify to even frank arthritis. So, in the Department of Pain Medicine at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai, we have special treatment approaches which are available for the knee pain patients, and these avoid surgery. So no matter which stage you are in, so even from stage 0 to stage 4 arthritis or any kind of arthritis, if you want to avoid surgery, so probably this is the best option which you have available in the city now. And how we do it is by combination of various approaches. So first we grade the condition. The most common conditions which lead to the knee pain is knee arthritis. And this can be managed medically with specific exercises initially, and stage 0 and 1 can benefit from these approaches. And we specifically, but if you do the wrong exercises, then probably it will aggravate the situation. So it's very important to have a correct approach towards the early phases. In addition, if the stage is advanced, we have some special options which are known as or grouped under the heading of regenerative medicine. So these involve the use of stem cells and platelet-rich plasma. So these are body's own cells or tissues which have the healing capacity, and this magical healing capacity is taken advantage of in these treatments. And the patient's own tissue is used and injected in the knee, and this is completely safe, as is proven by a lot of studies, and we have done it in many patients, and these patients have given good and encouraging results, and these can be replicated in you as well. So if the knee pain is too advanced, that is advanced stages of arthritis, and the patient wants to avoid the knee surgery, then also we have some options, and these include the radiofrequency ablation of the genicular nerves which supply the knee joint. So these nerves, they once they are ablated using very focused radiofrequency ablation. So this we do under an X-ray in C-arm, and we accurately locate the nerves and then we numb them. And this gives the patient a good time to break the cycle, because the most difficult situation in these patients is that we keep on telling them to do exercises. On the other hand, they cannot do these exercises because they have more pain. And once we break this cycle, the exercises become easy and the patients can do that and also lose some weight. And you'll be surprised to know that even a 5 kg reduction in such patients can by itself lead to a 50% reduction in the pain, and which is a significant number. And this has been well established through various studies, and you can anyways come to us and learn more about these procedures and these techniques, and we are available. You can inquire more on the Apollo websites or contact us for more information. Thank you.